Hello everyone, today's video is gonna be about Titan rotary tool or a multi-tool. I bought this from Screwfix for $39.99. It has 2 years warranty. Let's go ahead and open the box. The rotary tool comes with 252 pieces. So it has plastic cover on top. So first let's talk a bit about the bits it comes with. So we've got a couple of metal brushes for, I presume, for sanding. Then you've got the hair brushes, some more wire brushes, sandpaper wheel, you've got drill bits, some cutting discs here, it's 5 of them. So these bits I think is for like a bench grinder, what you've got on the bench grinder. I think it's something like this kind of stone. We've got here some like a diamond drill bits, which is more like for maybe for tiles. Some more, I think it's cutting disc as well inside. The spanner, we've got like a sandpaper wheel which goes on here. You push it in and you see it spin. So what you've got to do is get a screwdriver, and on that screw here you just need to tighten it. When you tighten and it stops from spinning, then tighten it, take it off. What it does, when you tighten it, the screw pushes the washer inside and it expands the rubber. That's how it tightens the sanding wheel. You've got small one as well, smaller size for the small bits. And that's pretty much all the pieces what it comes with. Unit itself. So that's the manual. If you want, you can read. The unit itself. So we've got on and off button, the power goes from 1 to 6, and this button, when you press, it does release the nut in front, so you can untighten it, insert whatever you want to insert, whatever bit you need. Push it in, and then press the button again and tighten. Okay, that's tighten. You can use the spanner as well. Again, press the button and just go with the spanner slightly. Don't go too hard with that. That's how it's locked. So let's remove it. Again, press the button, tighten, then go by hand. So it'll come off. So if you fully remove this, then you're exposed with that bit here, which you've got another 4 here. That's spare one. If this one wears out, then you've got another 4. So I'm gonna go in. I should open the cord, the power cord. Right. Let's plug it in. Okay. So the on button, it does spin, so you can adjust the power. Okay, let's remove it from the electric. Okay guys, about the extension for the tool, how to connect it is, first you have to remove this nut in front. Then the extension, this bit inside needs to go in here, but if you connect it and you screw it in, it will be spinning and it won't be spinning the bit what you've got in front. So how to do it? This bit inside, you just grab it with your fingers and pull it out. Then get the tool, and this needs to go in there. That small metal here, it's your guide how deep it needs to go. Then press the button and tighten it. Get the key, a bit more, that's it. Then this goes in here. Okay, so that's the extension cord connected. Let's put a bit in front. Again, when you push this towards you, then this will expose, and then you tighten from here. Get the spanner, a bit more, that's it. This one works exactly the same as the yellow button here. So this is locked, and let's on the electric. So let's press the power button. As you can see, it does spin. So adjust with the power, this spins quicker. Turn it off and turn off the power. Press the button, release it. So I have not used the tool yet. I'm gonna be using it soon for another project. That's why I bought it. So hopefully in a couple of days you see me using the tool and using some of the bits. But basically that's it. Not much to say. Looks alright for the price. So yeah, we'll see in a couple of days. In a couple of days we'll see how it performs. And thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.